Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we review the latest and greatest tools on the market.
Today, we're diving into the Freud SD206 6-inch Pro Dado set. Let's get started.
The Freud SD206 is a powerhouse when it comes to creating dados and grooves with precision.
Whether you're a seasoned cabinet maker or a weekend woodworker,
this dado set is designed to deliver clean edges, square shoulders, and flat bottoms with ultimate precision.
Now, let's talk about what sets this dado set apart.
The SD206 features thick micro-grain carbide tips on its two outside blades, ensuring long-term accuracy and durability. These high-quality blades produce clean, flat, and virtually splinter-free cuts every time.
But it doesn't stop there. The set comes complete with 3 1/8-inch chippers and 3 1/16-inch spacers, allowing for fine adjustments and precise control over the width of your cuts. Plus, the included shim set expands the range of kerf adjustments, giving you even greater versatility.
And let's not forget about convenience. The Freud SD206 comes neatly packaged in a sturdy case,
keeping your blades organized and protected when not in use.
It's the little details like this that make a big difference in your workshop.
Now, let's address the elephant in the room: size.
Some may be skeptical about the 6-inch diameter of these blades, but fear not.
In practice, this size provides ample power and efficiency, making it ideal for a wide range of projects. And with Freud's reputation for quality craftsmanship, you can trust that these blades will deliver top-notch performance every time. In conclusion, the Freud SD206 6-inch Pro Dado set is a must-have for any woodworking enthusiast. With its precision engineering, durable construction, and unmatched performance, it's sure to become an indispensable tool in your workshop. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Until next time, happy woodworking.